I know it's dark, but I wanted you guys to see this gnarly sweeper right here. This is what these cars are best at, right here. Just light throttle application gets you around the corner. Go ahead and heel toe into fourth. How's it going, everybody? I'm just going to do a quick, simple driving video demonstrating the absolutely mental handling capabilities of the 6th Gen Camaro. Mine in particular is a highly modified 2.0 Turbo Camaro, so take that for what it's worth, but we'll see what we can do handling-wise. I'm just going to go ahead and guide it through. I'll guide you guys through racetrack style if I can. I'll do my best. This is my favorite road. We're going to be obeying all speed laws, of course, and yeah, look at that view. We're going to start by coming down this hill. I don't know if the camera picks up exactly how much downhill this is, but it's pretty insane. There we go. Right, coming down here, a little sweep to the right. There we go. Come on this long left. Poor soul has to go up that hill. Yeah, that hill is not friendly to people with less than like 200 pound-feet of torque. Alrighty. Now we're gonna go through this pretty little area here. Some nice ranches and whatnot. There we go, a little dip. Up. Don't want to go too quick through here. There might be horsies and whatnot. Alright, I'm coming up on this little dip. It got me a couple first times I went through here. Forget about the dip. And then look at that. Look at that. Doggos. We got doggies in the road. Told you. This dog's always getting out here. Alright, and now we're in the clear. There we go. This is the tightest road I know of that's canyon-like and mountain-like and windy. It's like someone took a one-way road and paved a line down the middle expecting two people to fit on it. So why am I on it? Because it's fun. Here we go. This way. Gotta stay in my side as much as possible. Gotta watch for, I mean, I've seen people on this road like twice ever. This goes nowhere basically, but you still gotta be careful. There we go. This is all third gear coming down this. There we go. Go this way. And then we got the left and then the right. Left, right, and then dips. These will jack you up, so you got to slow down for these two dips here. Alright, not too much going on. We flip around at this point, and then I'll take you guys all the way back with me. Backfires for days. Running pretty rich with a couple parts we put on. It's making the car run rich, so yeah, just backfires there all the time. Might be getting a little less MPG, but that's quite alright. If you tune this car, you can expect to get pretty bad gas mileage as it sits anyway. There we go. Turn it on around. And this is much more entertaining going back up, and then of course going up the gigantic hill. Gotta slow down for these blind hills though. And then you don't want to come down this too fast, because you will bottom out your suspension right, bam, right there. One more blind hill, and that's pretty much all the blind hills. There we go, slow down for the dips again. And we're good. We'll use some second gear here. Also, another thing to note, in my experience, I've seen the Camaros put down, you know, all the way up to the Z01. I've seen them put down just, one sec, a little loud in here. I've seen the Camaros put down the power phenomenally better than the Mustang and the Challenger, especially when you get up to, you know, an old GT500, even the GT350, and then especially the Hellcat. Obviously, everyone knows that doesn't put power down the best with all that 707 horsepower. There we go, coming this way. And if anyone's wondering, we got Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. 265 at all four corners. That does plenty for a car that weighs 3,200 pounds. It's getting a little dark. Just stay with me a little longer as we're going to go up this hill. If you guys are subscribers, you've probably seen this hill before, but if not, it's pretty uphill. All right. Sweeper to the right. Coming up. Alright, then we get into third gear here. Alright, now we just got to make it up this mammoth of a hill. If you can get yourself to stay above 3,000 RPM, you're in business. But that's pretty quick in third gear for going up such a tight hill. Let's open the window, see if you guys can hear. There we go, coming up this way. I'll leave the windows open for a sec so you guys can get some exhaust. Some heel toe action down to second. Coming around, coming around. Woo. And that's it. That's my little route. We're back. Oh, I'll go ahead and it's kind of hot, but we'll do one more acceleration here. These cars are very, very forgiving. mistakes and just kind of smooth them out. This is it's a pretty good car to learn on. It's like, you know, oh, I don't know about to learn on, but it's a great car not to get hurt in, because like I said, it'll take your mistakes and fix them for you. That's about all the exciting area around here. I'm sure it's dark on this camera, so I guess we'll end it there. I'll talk to you guys next time. See ya.